Let's talk about what a bento is. Hi, welcome to MOMables. If you're new or if you've been around for years, I'm Laura and I am so excited that you are here. I'm showcasing quick, no-cook bento ideas that you can whip up in about 5 minutes. And I'm also sharing with you the tricks of keeping those packed lunches fresh until lunchtime. So make sure to hit that red subscribe button and the bell so you'll be the first to know when I share the other quick lunch ideas. Traditionally, a bento box is a single portion meal that includes a variety of ingredients. The origin of the word means convenient, and it got popularized by Japanese lunches and cooking. However, in the US, bento boxes and lunch boxes are reusable containers designed to pack food to go. The main difference is that a bento box has multiple compartments in the same base and one lid. This provides you the opportunity to pack multiple ingredients in the same container. A lunchbox or lunch container is a single base and a single lid without multiple compartments. If packing lunches is a struggle, I also have this free printable lunchbox builder for you in the description box that's going to help you build quick and healthy lunches by mix and matching the ingredients that you already have on hand into a balanced lunch. The best part of a bento style lunch is that you can mix and match ingredients from different food groups without having to cook anything. While traditional Japanese lunches always have cooked rice, building a bento lunch in the USA is more about using what you have on hand to make a nutritious lunch. Now, bento boxes have come a long way in recent years, and there's so many options available for purchase. The best containers for packing bentos for your child is going to depend on how much food you need to pack inside, the age of the child, your budget, and the material that you prefer, such as plastic or stainless steel. I usually recommend owning a couple of different bento box containers so you can pack a variety of lunches, like for wraps or pinwheels to snack boxes, sandwiches, and more. These tips should help you get started packing bento lunches for school fast, as well as the ideas in the bento playlist that I'm gonna link below. Now watch this next bento, which is also a breeze to pack. See you next time.